Welcome to Flower Challenges YouTube channel.
It's time for a story.
Buntu and the bird. Everyone is getting ready for circle time. Buntu is standing under the fan. He points at the fan. There is a small blue bird on the fan. The blue bird flies away. The children run after the bird. The bird is in the hallway. The bird flies into a room. The bird is at the window. Buntu wants to help. What do you think Buntu does?
Children, that was a lovely story, wasn't it?
Thank you for watching this video, children.